Hello, I'm Rodney Parker, CEO of Centric Federal Credit Union, and I personally want to welcome you. If you've recently joined us through our merger with West Monroe Federal Credit Union, we're truly glad that you're here. We know change can also raise questions, and I want you to know our priority is making this transition simple, supportive, and positive for you. At Centric, you're more than an account number. You're a member owner. Our mission is to help you live better, whether that's saving for the future, buying a home, or managing everyday finances. To make your transition easier, we've introduced a concierge support team dedicated to helping new members like you get comfortable with Centric. Our concierge team is available to answer questions about your accounts and services, help you set up digital banking and tools, walk you through any changes and highlight new benefits overall available to you at Centric. Think of them as your personal guide as you get to know Centric. We're honored you've placed your trust in us, and we look forward to serving you and your family for many years to come. Welcome to Centric Federal Credit Union. We're glad that you're here.